Gonna make lasagna to take for the family. I couldn't remember how to do it.
Huh?
And I finally got it done, but it was too late. And I didn't even like it.
Oh.
Because I couldn't remember how to do it.
It's
And
almost
even
there's the
though I
recipe
looked-
behind the box.
I had,
Well, the recipe on the box is very plain lasagna.
Yeah.
water.
Like the Walmart box said, a jar of great value brand spaghetti sauce. And then
Yeah, because they will sell.
and 2 things of ricotta cheese and 1 thing of shredded mozzarella
Mozzarella.
and a teaspoon. That was it.
Say hi.
Oh, it's recording. Okay,
Yeah.
hi.
You to talk.
Oh, God, it hurts my legs. I've been riding bicycle, and so you've got it aimed at the table.
Yeah, that's
This is
aiming
kinda
mom.
silly, yeah.
Don't worry, I still editing.
Yeah. Can barely see Tank's butt from the video. Here, I'll move the chair, and now the video gets Tank, his butt, while he's eating.
Yeah. He will be in a video.
On the mug.
Okay.
And
Halo. Terima kasih sayang. Kamu mau bilang sama Grandma juga? Ntar kita ngobrol sama kamu ya habis dari Grandma ya.
Richard. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Oh, I'm fine. We're just everybody. You know how big my kitchen is, and with 3 big people putting stuff on the table. So and Tank is down here eating his dinner, and he's looking around and wondering when he's going to get a bite. What are you doing today?
Tank.
Oh, you sound sleepy. Yeah. He just woke up. Yeah.
Video actually.
Your mom brought her. It's on the three long legs
Tripod.
tripod.
And that camera is a gift from Richard.
Oh,
My Mother's Day gift.
you heard what she said. That the tripod is a gift from you.
The camera.
The camera is a gift from you. Yeah, I'm sitting here. I can watch Shoeing talking, and it shows the table with a great big bowl of salad on it. Yeah. Okay. We're like just yawn
Yeah.
and. Here's a fork.
Oh, well, I was just gonna eat it straight up. Maybe I will eat it with a fork instead. With all this
I like
frosting
it.
on it, it's gonna be messy if I don't use a fork. So
It's moist.
yeah, so this is avocado cake.
Avocado.
Mm-hmm. Tastes good.
I think you need a napkin.
So it's hand me a napkin, honey. Mom is insisting
It
on
doesn't
it.
hurt
So
if you get a couple. Well, get icing on your fingers. It's nice to have something to wipe them on.
well, I didn't get icing on my fingers.
Oh, you didn't? I had.
I had a little oily on my fingers, but not much, you know. So.
Yeah, I think I like it.
Now, the cake on its own, can't tell because of the chocolate.
That's what I was gonna say. So I started eating the cake without the chocolate first.
Clear my palate. Well, it doesn't taste like an avocado. It tastes a little different from a normal white cake.
Yeah.
It's also a more dense
Yeah, because
texture.
it's a
and
lot of
I know.
fat content.
It's got avocado too. And
It's good.
Of course, that avocado is really light.
it's going to
Almost
affect
no
the
taste.
structure of
Yeah.
the cake no matter what, just because of all the components of the avocado that are not normally present in a cake. It was good.